Hello，各位5、6年班嘅同學，大家好，我係 Mr. Josh 啊。咁咧考英文之前咧，想幫助大家溫一溫3個大嘅部分，無論5年班定係6年班都要考嘅語文基礎部分。所以咧，如果你睇完呢條片覺得幫助到你嘅話，記得 save 低佢，仲有撳 like 啦，再 share 俾有需要嘅同學仔或者家長朋友一齊去考高分。第一個今日要講嘅係時式，點樣可以幫助到你考得更加好、更加準確，而唔會俾老師扣到分嘅咧？第一個，我哋睇下第一條，標示字。我教同學仔一定嗰句句子唔好憑感覺覺得呢篇嘢係咩時式就咩時式，因為小學嘅呈分試裏面基本上老師要交代俾你知道呢篇係咩 tense 嘅文章，先至令到你唔會填錯咗時式。所以我哋睇到last night 過去式，即刻過去式點用啊？用法已經喺晒你個腦裏面啦。好啦，但係都係會錯，點解呢？因為我哋成日忽略第三個重點，我哋要睇一睇嗰句句子嘅主角究竟係 he she it 定係 are you we they。而我寫出嚟嘅係 he she it， 因為 he she it 無論喺現在式成日都漏 s 啦，現在進行式 is am are 選錯咗，仲有 pp have 或者 has 我哋要選 has。通常 he she it 咧都係要令到個時式嘅用法有改變嘅，所以我哋特登要注意。好啦，過去式 be was were 究竟用 was 定 were 啊？我哋睇下呢度。嗰單嘢係 car accident， 係 it 嚟嘅，所以你有呢個概念嘅時候，即刻就知呢條係 was 啦。我哋睇低少少，見唔見到呢個箭嘴呢度？標示字係 already 啊 ，already 5年班上學期現在完成式 PP，點用啊 ？have 或者 has 加 PP， 好啦，但係 have 定 has 啊？睇下前邊係咪 he she it 先？佢話 the police officers 警員但係呢度唔係一個，呢個係 they 嚟have 啊，跟住咧 PP started 啊。咁你咪做到咯。好啦，俾一條再難多少少嘅。呢度見唔見到標示字啊？話又係兩個長動作啊。咦，哇，呢單嘢都幾大鑊喎。個司機咩叫長動作啊？過去進行式一路飲酒。咪住先，係咪 was 啊？我哋要留意 car driver 一係 he 一係 she， 你唔好話一定係 he 嚟噶，唔可以咁樣性別歧視。男女都可以飲酒，男女都可以揸車，無論 he she 都好，係 was。跟住長動作，我哋知點用啊嘛 ，drinking。咁咪唔會錯咯。好啦，睇埋後面嗰半句有 he 啦，長動作啊 was driving， 我知啦，係咪好準確？仲有你留意得到嘅話，其實我唔使睇晒成篇去做呢個 tense 嘅部分，我用呢個方法可以好準確，逐條抽翻一個啱嘅答案放落去。好，第二個連接詞同埋 gerund infinitive， 我用一個練習練起佢，令到你可以好容易就明白噶啦。我講咗 gerund to infinitive 或者 bare infinitive 先，咩嚟㗎？加 ing 啊，加 to 啊，動詞啊，或者咩都唔變啦。好啦，跟住小朋友就會諗，或者爹哋媽咪就會諗，細個嘅時候老師叫我背㗎，我記得啦，背一諗起就驚啦，震晒啦隻手，梗係唔係背啦？邊個老師叫你背，你真係可以冚佢一巴？點解？其實小學嘅裏面唔係好難嘅啫，我哋只要分得出6個基本嘅一啲形態咧，你就可以好快 spot 到佢究竟係 bare infinitive 啦、gerund 啦，定係 to infinitive。好啦，動詞不變有一啲字眼，我成日同同學仔講咧，有聲字啊，一見到呢個字後面就會諗起 it go 噶嘛，點解 let it go 啊嘛，你唔會 let it going 噶嘛，你唔會 let it to go 噶嘛，所以有一啲字眼我哋可以捉出嚟，幫助小朋友即刻就知。仲有咧咩 will 後面動詞不變啊 should 啊 must 啊嗰啲咧，其實人哋有個名㗎，叫 modal verbs。modal verbs 後面咧一定係唔變嘅。咁當你記得呢個第一個 category 0啦，我叫佢做下，咁就會知道個答案唔使諗。跟住咧由細學到大，兩個動詞黐埋咯 ，I like swimming 咁咪加 ing 咯。跟住咧 swimming is fun， 動詞擺咗句子頭，而佢唔係一個動作，係講一件事，就會用 gerund。仲有一個 I am good at swimming， 因為佢唔係講緊呢個動作啊嘛，佢係講緊一件事，所以其實我哋有呢3個方法，我哋就知 gerund 其實佢係喺一句句子裏面由動作變咗一件事。基本上咁樣理解咗佢，同埋有3個用法，我就知肯定係加 ing。仲有睇埋4、5、6，4、5、6係咩啊？喺我嘅裏面，我會教同學仔係 to 啊。點解無啦啦要加 to？ 目的由細學到大 ，I want to go to toilet 啊嘛，係咪 ？I need to buy something to drink。點解有加 to 嘅？因為呢個係你想做嘅嘢，所以你講一啲你想做有目的嘅嘢 to 解決佢。咁仲有2個咧 ，adjective 加 to，easy to do 啦，係咪？日學咗呢個 skill，easy to do 啦。跟住咧 ，how to do，easy to do，OK，咁你就會明啦。4、5、6，OK，好啦，咁我哋一路砌埋個連接詞喺呢個練習裏面 show 晒俾大家睇。佢話：喂 ，shall we bring something to Ashley tomorrow? Sure, I think we can bring her some books。乜嘢 ？She must be bored in the hospital。我哋帶啲書俾佢啦。點解有個紅色框框嘅咧？因為連接詞係睇後面嗰句㗎。我哋中文嘅諗法咧，連接詞因為所以雖然但是，我哋好順。但係英文咧，我哋同我哋語法有少少調轉。如果我哋做呢類嘅題目嘅時候，連接詞記得係睇後面嗰句，會令到你揀一個啱嘅連接詞。咩意思啊？我哋帶啲書俾佢，因為 佢會好悶㗎。你諗下，我哋中文係因為佢好悶，所以我哋帶啲書俾佢。但係英文係可以調轉嚟講，所以我建議同學仔做連接詞嘅時候，都睇咗後面嗰句先至去諗嗰個連接詞係乜。好啦，翻嚟，咦，唔係連接詞啦。第二個題目係要填動詞，見唔見到呢度有 full stop？full stop 咁即係句子頭啦。reading，oh my god， 0秒我就決定到答案啦，因為佢講緊讀書呢件事係可以 kill time 嘅。好啦，再睇乜嘢 books can kill time？Ashley hates 乜嘢？好啦。呢個你睇下，都係正面嘅喎，因為佢可以令到啲時間快過啲，但係佢好唔中意轉接復句，仲唔係餓到？係咪啊？大家你見到啦，唔難嘅，你睇清楚呢個窿跟住嗰句想表達啲咩意思，你就揀得到一個啱嘅答案。然之後，咦，咪住，頭先我哋要寫翻呢個2號仔 hates 呢個係動詞嚟㗎，又後面填動詞，兩個動詞黐埋，後面仲唔係 reading 呢個頭先我講嘅1號仔，係咪容易咗好多？再示範多一個 ，she is good at 係一個 preposition 嚟㗎，所以係叻做一件事，唔係做一個動作。所以呢件事係咩啊 ？Solving crossword puzzles， 解決一啲嗰啲咧填窿窿咧啲字咧又橫又直嗰啲咧 ，solving 係一件事。所以呢個係我叫做3號仔，幾容易見到某一啲嘢，你就好明白到原來後面要點樣用。好啦，由於時間嘅關係，我同大家 go through 埋 gerund to infinitive 點樣用意法 likes 好中意做一件事 ，eating 係咪啊？1號仔 easy。好容易做一樣嘢，頭先講咗咯，呢個係5號 easy to make， 因為形容詞後面要跟 to 先至動作。Let's 見唔見到呢個字啊？又諗起嗰隻歌啦，係咪啊 ？Let it go， 但係你唔好寫咗個 go 落去，呢個係 make 動詞不變。再嚟啦 ，need 後面點啊？目的啊，佢需要買啊，特登做㗎。你睇多條 want 後面特登做㗎 ，want to finish， 佢目的係咁樣。Look forward to 嗱呢個陰陰濕濕 ，look forward to 係一個 phrasal verb， 所以係一個 preposition 咁睇 preposition， 3號 C 型，唔係因為 to 啊。如果 to infinitive 係唔會俾個 to 你㗎，你諗真啲係咪先？你睇下我做呢篇嘢根本就冇睇晒前文後理，我只需要睇到一啲 keywords， 即係我哋叫標示字，然後配翻一個技巧落去就做得到啦。希望呢條片可以幫到各位5、6年班嘅同學仔。如果你覺得幫到你，記得撳一撳 like 啦，跟住 share 俾同學仔啦，然之後介紹多啲同學仔嚟一齊報名，可以學到更加多。同埋我會再詳細啲講點解我咁容易記到呢啲咁嘅 skill 入個腦，然之後答得到啱晒嘅題目。好啦，唔講啦，下一條片再見，拜拜。